your neighborhood. This seat was vacated by the sudden and unexpected death of the Honorable Gay Elwood, who passed away last December. Although no one can ever replace Gay, someone must be elected to this important position. The Magistrate District Judge office is the first level of Pennsylvania's judiciary. This court is presided over by a magisterial district judge, which also they call them MDJ. This position does not require a law degree. The position of magistrate oversees non-jury criminal and civil cases, traffic cases, whether serious criminal cases go to the Court of Common Pleas, preliminary arraignments and preliminary hearings, and setting and accepting bail, except in murder or voluntary